Okay, I'll go ahead and hang the fan on the fan. Okay, so there's a kind of it's like a holder. So this go and it will come here. It will sit into this hole. So I'll slot it in. Okay, it's in. It's nicely in there. Okay, so there's the connection, and these are the cables. There's the earth cable. Okay, so probably you might be asking why there's black, white, and white, blue, and black. Okay, so I'm going to obviously this is the earth. The earth symbol or sign is right here, so you know it's earth. You know this earth. What about these ones? Okay. So as an electrician, the first thing you do is everything when it comes to appliance, you go through manual before you install them. Whether you know the thing or not, you have to go through the manual, because there are some models that you might know that maybe this particular product or brand, they manufacture their stuff in such and such a way, but there are some models that there might be changes. Okay, so I'll go to the power supply section here. So that's basically simple. So if you know how to read, not just English, if you know how to read and understand any international language, there are some stuff that come with French or Spanish. So this English. So it says black. In the US, they use black, or they use it to indicate hot, or what we call live, or feed here. So the black here, this black cable right here, up here, is the live. We will connect it to the live. Okay. All right. And from this from the ceiling fan. Okay, so from the ceiling fan we have a blue and black here. This blue is for the lamp here, and this black right here is for the ceiling fan, and this white is the neutral. So in the US, neutral is white and black is hot. They don't address it as live. We call it live. They call it hot. Okay. So I'll go ahead and connect this. Okay, so I'm putting the fan and the lamp wires together. Okay, so where do you connect this to? Okay, so here, there's the live here, or hot here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and connect it. And this is the neutral. Okay, so basically these are the connections, and it's very straightforward. If you can read and understand, you will have issues if you cannot read, and probably some people might be able to read but they cannot understand. If you read and you don't understand, you have issues. But if you can read and understand, electricals or stuff, these stuff is very simple or straightforward. So from the user's manual, you get all the information, and anything that you need to do this installation.